guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. It's really not morning, it's evening. But check this out, guys. Bam! Got the strange single adjustable coilovers in. I've had the shocks for about a week and it took another week to get the coils in, but I'm happy that they're in. So just to recap, these are the strange single adjustable coilovers for the front of an F-body, 4th gen F-body, and hyper coil springs to run the stock upper connection. I'll have the part numbers in the details, but just know these are 14 inches tall, 2.5 inches in diameter, 300-pound springs. So we're gonna give these a shot and see what they do. So like the rear shocks, I went ahead and cycled the shock 4 or 5 times to get any possible air out of the system. And I will go ahead and start installing these bad boys on the car. What I've read, it's easy to adjust at the track if your adjustment knob is inboard of the car. So I'll give that a shot. Next, as you F-body guys know, you gotta remove your master brake cylinder. Get that out the way so you can reach these 2 bolts back here on the front strut, top mount. These nuts are 15 millimeters, these are 15, so let's do it. Also, if you still have your ABS system right here, you have to remove or loosen the 2 13 millimeter nuts on the ABS block. That way, whenever you move this up and out the way, this whole thing moves up. You're not stressing your brake lines. I deleted my ABS, so I don't have the block anymore. This is actually the first time that I moved the master cylinder. Let's see what happens. Not bad at all. Alright guys, got everything torqued down, got the coilovers tightened up. Now for a little YouTube magic. Alright, got the wheel on. Go ahead and do the other side and get the car down. So it's been 3, almost 4 months that this car has been on jack stands. And I finally got it back on the wheels and tires on the ground. Check it out. Man, definitely need to adjust it a little bit more. I had the adjustment way too low. So I'm gonna jack that up and check back in with you guys. But man, yeah, how good it looks on those wheels.